Okay, we're on the Unit 1 review sheet, topic 2. So we're starting with question 11. I have this graph here, and I'm going to use interval notation for domain and range, and for my increasing, decreasing, and constant intervals. All right, so we're going to start with my x-intercepts. So I've got, it looks like it crosses here, here, and here. Okay, so they do not cross exactly on the tick mark, so we're going to have to kind of make some guesses here. This one looks like I'm 1, 2, I don't know, I'm going to say it's about negative 2.9, 0 for that one. This one looks like it crosses at maybe negative 0.8, 0. And then this one looks like it crosses at 2.8. 1, 2, 2.8, 0. So those are my x-intercepts. Y crosses in one spot right here. So my y-intercept is, it crosses at 2, so 0, 2. So remember when you write points, we always write the x first and then the y. Okay, so my domain, if I look at my x's here, my arrows go forever in this direction, and it's kind of getting a little bit bigger as it goes. So it's going to keep going forever in the infinite x direction to infinite infinity. And the same thing here, it keeps getting a little bit wider, it's getting bigger and bigger x's to infinity. But it cannot be this right here, there's a hole. So it goes forever in the negative infinity direction, towards negative infinity. But then, when I get here to 1, it can't be 1. And then here, again, it starts at 1, but it can't be 1, so I'm using the parentheses, not the bracket, and it keeps going to positive infinity. My range is my y values. Remember, think alphabetical, D before R, X before Y. So X goes with domain, it comes first alphabetically. Range goes with Y, they both come last alphabetically. So range is my y, and again, my arrows are going on forever. So it is forever going in the positive direction and forever going in the negative direction, but it's never going to be 3, because that's where this hole is. So my range, again, negative infinity to 3, and I'm joining it with this set, which is 3 to positive infinity. All right, now my increasing intervals. If you look from left to right, I'm decreasing, decreasing, decreasing till I get here, right? So this is 1, 2. So right here at 2, I start going up, 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 up until I get here to 1. And then I go down, 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 down to infinity. So I have one increasing interval, it's here. It is where x is 2 until x is 1. Decreasing, I'm starting decreasing here. So I'm starting from negative infinity, and I keep decreasing until I get to, oh, I'm sorry, this is a negative 2, so this should be negative 2 here. I'm decreasing until I get to negative 2, and then I'm increasing until I get here, and I start decreasing again at 1, and I keep decreasing until I get to infinity. I don't have any constant intervals. There's no horizontal line anywhere. I have none. And it's not continuous, because I am going to have to pick up my pencil. When I start tracing, 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 I have this empty spot here. So it is not continuous. And then my end behavior, as I go toward this way, toward the left, toward negative infinity on my x-axis, my y, or my f of x, is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It is going toward infinity. And as I go toward the right, for positive infinity, my y is getting smaller and smaller and smaller, or my f of x or y is going toward negative infinity. And that is topic 2.